Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send music in Instagram DM. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type Instagram and search for it. If you see an update option, tap on it to update the app to the latest version. Once the update is complete, open the app and ensure you are logged into your account. On the home page, tap the message icon in the top right corner to access your conversations. Open the chat with the person you want to send music to. At the bottom, you will see the message box with several icons. Tap the sticker icon. Next, tap the sticker icon again to reveal more options. Select Music. A list of available songs will appear. You can scroll through the options or use the search bar to find a specific song. Once you find the song you want, tap on it and it will be sent instantly. So that's basically how you can send music in Instagram DM. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.